If you've ever felt like a web page in Google Chrome is too small, too large, or just hard to read, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to zoom a Chrome page using two super easy methods, the mouse wheel method and the Chrome menu method. These are quick, beginner-friendly, and perfect for adjusting any web page to your comfort level. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tips just like this. Let's jump right in. The first method is the fastest one, and it works great if you want smooth zoom control. Start by opening Google Chrome and going to any web page you want to adjust. Now hold down the Control key on your keyboard. While holding Control, scroll your mouse wheel up to zoom in, or scroll down to zoom out. You'll see the page size change instantly as you scroll, which makes this method really convenient for quick adjustments. If you want to get back to normal, just keep adjusting until the page feels right for you. This is especially helpful when you're reading articles, filling out forms, or looking at websites with tiny text. Now, let's look at the second method, which uses the Chrome menu. In the top right corner of Chrome, click the three dots menu. This opens the main browser menu, where you can find several useful settings. Look for the Zoom option in the menu. Right next to it, you'll see the plus button to increase zoom and the minus button to decrease zoom. Click the plus icon to make everything larger, or click the minus icon to make it smaller. Chrome will update the page size right away, so you can keep clicking until it looks perfect. This method is great if you don't have a mouse wheel, or if you want a more visual way to control the zoom level. One thing to remember is that Chrome's zoom setting usually applies to the page you're viewing, so it can be adjusted separately depending on the site. That means you can set one website to be larger and another to be smaller if needed. It's a simple feature, but it can make a huge difference in your browsing experience. So whether you prefer the quick Control plus Scroll method or the built-in Chrome menu, now you know exactly how to zoom in and out on a Chrome page in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.